Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add typing text in your Divi WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website. Here you can see this is a demo website where I want to add typing text. Let me log in. Just add / then wp-admin, and after that let's install a new plugin. Now here in the WordPress directory, just we can search for Divi and you will find out various plugins for Divi website. Just we can install this plugin, Divi Super Modules Lite. So this is the Lite variant. You can also get the premium variant of this plugin. Just activate it. Then let's go back to the pages, and here we can view this page, as well as here we can enable or edit with Divi build. And you can also see on the top enable Divi visual builder. Okay, here you can see. Now we can add a new section for typing text. Scroll down, and in the end here you can see plus icon. Just click here, and after that we can add a regular section. Then here we can add a new row. Then search for typing text. Just click here, and after that here we can replace our own text. Just I can add before text, web design, web development. So make sure that you are adding this bar between the typing text, and after that scroll down, and here we can add after text. Now here you can see how it works. So it will replace typing text one by one, but before and after text will remain same. Then scroll down. If you want to add typing text on a new line, just you can enable it, otherwise you can disable. Then scroll down, same for the after text, and here you can see typing options. You can increase or decrease typing speed. For example, you want to decrease, just you can add 300 ms. And then scroll down. Here you can see these are some customization options that you can change. Then go to design tab, and after that you can change the color. For example, you want to change before text color, just you can select a color. So this is for the background color. And if you want to change text color, just you can go here, then scroll down. For example, we can change color to this one. Then here you can see these are some other options. For example, if you want to change font family, font weight, as well as you can make font in uppercase. Then also you can increase or decrease text size. Then here you can add text shadow, as well as scroll down. So here you can see for the after text as well as typing styles. Whatever color you want to add, you can easily do that. Then scroll down. Here you can see border options as well as box shadow and animations. Then after that click your three dots, then save it.